If you've been following the videos on this channel for a while, then you know that most of the plants found in nature have tons of benefits for us due to their nutrients and medicinal properties. One of these plants is aloe vera, which we've already talked about several times since it's considered to be one of the best herbal remedies. It's able to have a positive effect on your whole body. Aloe vera aids your digestion, improves your immune system, relieves constipation and oral problems, among other benefits. In today's video, we're going to talk about aloe vera's wonderful benefits for your skin. It hydrates your skin. Studies have shown that aloe vera gel is very beneficial for your skin, which explains why it's used as an ingredient in several different cosmetic products. Rub the gel into your skin in order to moisturize and soothe your skin without clogging up your pores. Aftershave. Shaving isn't exactly a pleasant activity, especially if you have sensitive skin. Aloe vera gel can be used as an aftershave, and it will soothe your skin and the small nicks that happen when you shave. It fights aging. A study has shown that regular aloe vera application improves your body's natural collagen production, the protein that is responsible for keeping your skin toned and youthful. Furthermore, aloe vera gel is rich in vitamin C, E, and beta-carotene, important nutrients for your skin's health. Relieves sunburns. When we spend too much time in the sun without any protection, we're bound to get burnt. Normally, we try and soothe our skin with a cortisone-based product, but aloe vera has been proved to be much more efficient at lessening the redness and irritations caused by sunburns. It speeds up the healing process. One of aloe vera's most common uses is on cuts, wounds, and burns. Several studies have proven the gel to be efficient at accelerating the healing process. This is due to the fact that the gel can penetrate your skin better, renewing your skin cells quicker. It gets rid of dark spots. Aloe vera gel is great at treating acne scars and stretch marks due to its ability to regenerate your skin and its anti-inflammatory properties. You can mix the gel with some lemon juice to reduce freckles and age spots. It fights acne. Due to its anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and antibacterial properties, aloe vera gel protects your skin from the agents that cause acne. As we've said before, it's able to reduce redness and improve the appearance of acne scars. You can also use it as an astringent in order to deeply cleanse your skin and prevent acne altogether. To use the gel, dab some on your skin and rub gently. Rub it in the direction opposite to the growth direction of any hairs to ensure that it penetrates as much skin as possible. After this procedure, run your hand over the hairs to lay them down again. You can use aloe vera gel anywhere on your body. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.